Abay saying about bringing family.
A person is not born wise. Wisdom is a journey, not a birthright. Through sensory experiences like hearing, seeing, touching, and tasting, they learn to discern good from bad. These accumulated observations build a foundation of understanding, making an individual knowledgeable. By listening to the wise and internalizing their insights, one can truly become wise.
Bizde Абай Құнанбайұлының қара сөзін айтты сіздерге, отбасы тәрбиесі туралы. Себебі бүгінгі біздің тақырыбымыз family. Family дегеніміз отбасы, яғни отбасы туралы, иә? Абай атамыздың қара сөзінде былай дейді: бала дүниеге келген кезде есті болмайды дейді. Бір нәрсені естіп, көріп, ұстап, татып ескерсе, сондайдан көргені, білгені көп болған адам білімді болады деген екен. Сондықтан да сіздер әр нәрсені, көрген нәрселеріңді жаңағы ұстап, көріп, біліп, сондай нәрсені көп көріп, біліп өскен бала білімді болады. Осы Абайдың жаңағы қара сөзімен сабағымызды бастайық. Our learning objectives: recognize familiar words with visual support and identify some familiar words and the signs and illustrations, pictures in common everyday situations. Look at the blackboard. It is a family structure. Who is he?
Father, mother, brother, sister, me.
And the next, they are parents. Mother, father, they are our parents. Yes? Parents deganimiz bu kimdir? Analari. Так, the next siblings. Brother, sister, me. Who is siblings? Bauları. Then the next grandparents. Grandfather and grandmother. What is grandparents? Okay, very good. Okay, let's do the tasks. The first task, I give you 4 points. You assess yourself with method of dombra. It is our national Kazakh musical instrument, yes?
Yes.
You assess yourself with method of dombra. The first task, I give you 3 points, and the second task, I give you 3 points, and the third task, I give you 3 points. Please assess yourself with this task. You should match the words with pictures, okay? Who come to the blackboard? Islam, please.
He is grandpa.
Okay, very good. And the next, Aybar, please come to the blackboard. Who is he?
He is brother.
Okay, very good. The next, Rayana. Who is he?
Father.
He is dad. The next, come to the blackboard. Who is she?
Sister.
You cannot.
Who is she? Sister.
She is sister. Yes, very good. The next task, Hadisha, please come to the blackboard. Who's there? Who's there? There? Grandparents. Ali Khan? Who's there? 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 Parents. There? Parents. Parents. Islam, come to the blackboard, please. Who is she? She is mom. And the next, last one, Ada. Who is she? She is grandma. Grandma. Okay. And the second task, look at the picture and make a sentences about your family. Okay? With the method of microphone. Please find the pictures and tell the names of the words, okay? Who come to the blackboard?
Pəні.
Slav? Okay, very good. The next student, Zekinas. She is. She is grandmother.
Sister.
She is.
She is sister.
Okay. Ajat. He is grandfather. He is. He is brother. Okay. Let's check. Okay, very well. Our lesson with method of 3, 2, 1. Give your feedback. 3 new words. 3 new words. Albert?
Questions, out, and answer.
Okay. And the next 2 important facts.
Pounds and grandpas.
And the last one interesting ideas.
Advice or words.
Assess yourself. This one. How many points?
6.
Okay, Alika.